Okay, so we continue in chapter 6, 3D geometry shape. There is a net of 3D shape. Okay, what's the meaning of net? Net of a 3D shape is the pattern, okay, of a group of 2D shape. Okay, that means there is an arrangement for a group of 2D shape. Okay, after arrangement, when you folded up the net, you will form a 3D shape. Okay, that is a net. Okay, a solid, or we say a 3D geometry shape, may have more than one type of net. Okay, later I will show you. Okay, then the net always will helping us to find the surface area. Okay, we need to know about net because later we will need to find the surface area. So to determine the net for a 3D shape, okay, so the number of pieces of shape in the net. So that means how many pieces of the shape in your net, that must always same as the number of faces in the 3D shape. Okay, how many pieces of shape must be same with the number of faces of your 3D shape. That means how many faces, so how many pieces of shape. And the shape you use in your net must also same as the face. Okay, the shape you use, okay, the shape you use must be the same with the faces in the 3D shape. Okay, so for example, cuboid, sure you will get the rectangle faces. So all the shape in your net also will be the rectangle. Okay, so and then all the side of your shape in your net, okay, must always fit together when you are folded up the net. Okay, all the side must be fit together when you are folded up the net. Okay, so then we go to the activities. Okay, in this activity we're helping you to see more clear about the net of 3D shape. So when you're using the address I gave, then the address will bring you to the page something like this. So in this page you can see the net for a cube, the net for a cylinder, the net for a cone, and the net of pyramid. Okay, the net of cube, in here we will have a different net, but although the arrangement of the net is different, we will still get the cube when we fold up the net. This is what I mean. A solid will have many type of net. That means the arrangement of net can be changed, but then the arrangement change, you will still get again the 3D shape back. Or in another word, we say the 3D shape can have more than one arrangement for the net. So this is a cylinder. So for cylinder, the net button can be used to open and fold up your net. Okay, and you can change the height of cylinder to see what is the difference. Okay, and then you can see the net for a cone. Also same, all the button you can try to adjust and see what is the change. Okay, to see what is the change. Finally is the pyramid. Okay, you can using the button net here to change to open and fold up your net. See? Okay. So after you trying the activity, don't forget to read also your textbook on page 103 to make sure you are understand and you are able to remember the type of net, okay, or the arrangement for the net for the certain 3D shape. Okay, and after that, I want you to try out the exercise in your textbook, page 104. That is self practice 6.2. For questions number 1, the question asking you to draw the net and build a model. For building the model, okay, because now you are at home, so I think if you are free, you try to build, okay. If you are not able to build up the model because maybe the lack of material is okay, but the point is I want you to draw the net, okay. For questions number 1, I mean the point I want you to try is I want you to draw out the net. For building the model, maybe we can do it later in school, okay. So for questions number 1 is asking you to using the grid paper. Never mind, you can just directly consider your exercise book Maths 1 is a grid paper. That is 1 centimeter grid paper. Okay, just consider the square in your exercise book is a 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter square. Okay, I hope you understand. Huh? So and then question number 2 is asking you to name the 3D shape based on the given net. So also same as question number 1, the building for model, we do it later. Because I'm worried about maybe you were facing a problem, something like the lack of material. Maybe you will say you don't have the material. So it's okay for building the model, we do it later. But I want you to make sure you are able to state the name of 3D shape based on the given diagram in questions number 2. Okay, so this is the all for